Good morning, dear students. Today we are starting chapter number 12, that is practical geometry. Now in this chapter we will draw some geometrical figure. In class 6 you got a basic about practical geometry. There you learned how to draw circle, how to draw line segment, how to bisect a line segment. So here in this class, in first class, we will learn how to construct a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Now first we need to understand what is parallel line. So what is parallel line? If any two line is not intersecting in infinity also, that means there is no point of intersecting of two lines, then we call it as parallel line. In parallel line means distance between 2 points will be same. That means for every point distance will remain same, and two parallel line never intersect each other. So now construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. So see here, this is a line L. We need to draw a line parallel to this line L through a point P outside this line. Okay, so construction has to be done using ruler and compass only. So for this we will need one geometric box. So I am explaining this construction with the help of question from exercise 12a. Okay, so see the first question, number 1. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 6.8 centimeter. Take any point P outside E. That means P is not line AB. Using ruler and compass, draw a line through P parallel to AB. That means what? We need to draw parallel line. So first step is draw a line segment AB is equal to 6.8. Already we know how to draw line segment. We can draw line segment with the help of ruler. So first draw the line segment. So first I am drawing a line L. Now from this line we need to draw a line segment. What is the definition of line segment? Line segment is of fixed length. That means it will have a ending point, a starting point as well as ending point. What was the definition of line? It will goes to infinity in both the direction. That means a line has no ending point, but line segment means one starting point and one ending point. That means fixed distance. So AB is equal to 6.8. So we are considering point A here. Okay, A. So now AB 6.8 will be the zero scale from your ruler. I am placing here 0. So 6.8, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8. I think you know how to calculate with the help of ruler, na? So one mark there, B. So AB, the length of AB is 6.8 centimeter. Now next step. Here some steps are given to us, so we will read every step carefully and according to that step we will draw. So step number 1, take a line L and a point P outside L. Now this is, we have drawn a line L. From this line L we are taking one line segment AB. Since in the question AB is given, now consider a point, any point P outside this line segment. See, I am considering P which is not in that line segment, outside the P. Next step, take any point Q on the line L and join Q to P. So in this line segment A and B, you can take any point Q. You can take here also, here also, here also. Okay, I am taking here Q and join P and Q with the help of this ruler. Now we will join P and Q. So step number 2 is also done. Next, see step number 3. With Q as center and a convenient radius, draw an arc 1 cutting L at A and PQ at B. See, again read. With Q as center. Q as center, that means what? Metal tip of the compass you should keep here in Q. and taking any convenient radius. You can take any radius, but it should be smaller than PQ. Okay, any radius. Put your metal tip in Q, taking any radius. Draw an arc 1. See, I am drawing this and give this arc as name 1. See, here it is given as draw an arc 1 cutting L. Na? But in question number 1 answer, L means a line segment AB. So we are drawing inside this line segment. Okay, so cutting line segment AB at A and PQ at B. Since we have given the name of the line segment AB, so we will give it different name. Okay, so say M and N. That means taking Q as center, that means putting the metal tip of the compass at Q, we are drawing one arc. The arc is cutting line segment AB at one point. We gave the point name M, and that arc cutting the line joining PQ. We gave that point name as N. Okay, now read step number 4. Now with P as center and the same radius, so don't change the radius, that means don't touch your compass with that radius only, but now P as a center, so keep your metal tip here, don't change your compass. Next, P as center with the same radius as in step 3, draw an arc 2 and cutting PQ at C. Now see, with the same radius, now putting this metal tip in point P, I am drawing this arc. This arc is cutting line segment PQ, the line joining point P and Q. This arc is cutting, no? So we will give it one name. Say S. Name of this point is S. Next, step number 5. Place the steel point of the compass at A. Now here A means we are considering M. Na? Now place the steel point of the compass, that means metal tip of the compass at M. And adjust the opening so that the pencil point is at B. That means here B means N. Na? So metal tip at M and adjust your pencil so that the pencil tip should be at N. And we will draw one arc here. Okay, can you see this? Now with the same opening as in step number 5, with C as center. Here C means we are considering S. Okay, name you should give to you as your convenience. So taking C as center and with that same radius, again I am drawing an arc so that it can cut the previous arc, that means the arc S. Okay, see, this is cutting the arc here. So we are I am giving this point, this cutting point, as name T. Okay, T. Now see, step number 7. Draw a line through P and D. D means here T. That means see, this is P point and this is T point. Now joining this P and T point, we will draw a line. See, joining P and T point, I am drawing one line. Line, that means it will go to infinity. And now these two lines, say if this is small l, the name of the previous line or line segment is AB, then let us consider the name of the new line is small m. Now small l and small m line or AB segment and M line is two parallel lines. Is it clear? Every step again see with me every step. First we will draw one line L. Next, in line L we are considering a line segment of length 6.8 centimeter, that is AB. AB is 6.8 centimeter. If information about line segment is not given to you, then simply draw any length of line. Okay, you can draw any line. Next, from this AB line segment, we are considering a point P outside the line segment P. Okay, now we need to draw parallel line of line segment AB through P. Now the first step is we will join P with any point taken in the line segment. We are taking here point Q in the line segment, and in the first step we are joining point P, that means the point outside the line segment, with the point inside the line segment. We are joining this. Now next step, taking Q as center, that means metal tip at Q, and taking any radius, we will draw one arc. Arc means a part of a circle, not the whole circle, a arc. So we are drawing one arc. Next, with the same radius, need not to change the radius, that means need not to change the gap in between pencil and the metal tip. Now we need to place the metal tip at P, and we will draw the arc of same radius. Okay, this arc, and we are giving the point name. The first arc is cutting AB line segment at M point and PQ line segment at N point. Next, with the same radius, taking P as center, I am drawing one more line segment. That line segment is intersecting or cutting the PQ line at S point. Now taking M as center, that means metal tip at M, we will adjust our pencil tip so that it can give us one arc through the point of N. Is it clear? Taking M as center, that means metal tip at M, we will adjust the distance in between metal tip and pencil tip so that pencil tip should lie on point N, and now we will draw one arc. Next, again without changing the gap in between compass and pencil tip, taking S as center, that means now metal tip at point S will draw one arc so that this arc can cut the previous arc. Now in that new arc, that new two arc is cutting or intersecting at a point T. So we are getting two point here. One is point P that we considered previously. Next is point T. So now we will join P and T and draw a line through these 2 points. So this will be the line parallel to our original line L. So this is our answer. I hope this exercise is clear for everyone. So please go through all the steps very carefully, okay, and try your own. Here every steps is explained very nicely. So please go through the steps and try to draw this in your copy. Now next part is construction of triangles. Now what are the elements of triangles? In triangles mean 3 sides and 3 angles. So when we can draw triangle, when sides are given to us or angle is given to us, or side or angle, both are given to us. So in the second part of this chapter, or first triangle we can draw, constructing triangle having been given the length of the 3 sides. That means if in a triangle how many sides are there? 3 sides. So if the length of every side is given to us, then we can draw a triangle. Okay, so I am solving a question from exercise 12b. Triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to 7 cm, AC is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 9 cm. To draw a triangle, when 3 sides is given to us, you need to follow 4 steps. Okay, 4 steps. Step number 1, draw a line and mark 2 points A and B on it such that AB is equal to 7 cm. Now here also see triangle ABC, which AB is equal to 7 cm. What is the first side given? AB is equal to 7 cm. So first we will draw this line segment AB is equal to 7 cm. For this, first I am drawing any random line. Next we will consider any point here, A. Since your name is AB, that's why I am considering A. if it is P and Q, you will consider it as P. Now what is the length of AB? 7 centimeters. So now with the help of your ruler, mark a point B at 7 centimeter distance from A. So this is the AB length 7 centimeter. Now next step, open your compass to a length of 6 centimeter. That means now we need to see the next length. 3 side is given to us now. You can see any of the side. Now I am seeing AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Open your compass to a length of the other given side. AC is equal to 6 centimeter on the ruler, and with A as center, draw an arc 1C. Why I am taking AC? You can take BC also, okay? But if you are taking BC first, then you need to draw that arc from B, because see what is the common point here, B. So that in that case you need to draw from B. Since I am considering AC, so I will draw from point A. So AC, with the help of your ruler, I am taking a distance of AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So see, I am taking a distance of 6 centimeter, and since AC is equal to 6, so taking E as center, I will draw one arc, an arc randomly taking E as center. Now what is the next side? BC. Now again from the ruler we will take a distance of 9 centimeter. See, I am taking 9 centimeter distance from the ruler. Why? Because BC is equal to 9 centimeter. Now we will take B as center. B as center. Now see, these two arc is cutting at a point. We will name it as third point, third vertex of the triangle, that is C. Now we are getting 3 points here, point A, point B and point C. Now with the help of ruler we will join this 3 points. That means AB is joined. Now we will join AC and BC. Now see, where we have got one triangle, AB, AC and BC. Now see if our measurement is correct or wrong. AB we know 7 centimeter, AC what is given to us 6 centimeter. See, this is also correct. Next AC, this is 9 centimeter. That means our triangle is correct. So that's how we can draw a triangle when 3 sides is given to us. First draw